Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create new drive from existing C drive in Windows 10. Open Explorer. Right click, click Manage. Click Disk Management. Right-click C drive. Click Shrink Volume. Change the size of the new drive. Click Shrink. New unallocated space is generated. Right-click unallocated space, click New Simple Volume. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.